Hey guys, I just got some rats yesterday, and I wanted to show you them. Here they are, and they are regular rats. Here's Tara. She's a girl. They're both girls, and yeah. So here she is. And this is my first video. It's I have 2 mice.
Rat.
Well, 2 mice too, as well. And she just ran, so I have to get her. Come here.
Where's the white mouse?
She's under there. Hey, Snowflake. Get over here. Get over here. Hey, get over here.
They are very friendly.
Yeah, they are. But this one doesn't
go.
Hey, get over here. I got you. You are so cute, my little lady.
We just got them yesterday.
I had to.
They're very active, especially the black one.
So here they are.
Hi.
Yep. And here she's calmer than that one. So yeah.
And that's about it.
That's about it. Bye.